Hey guys, how you doing? This is Baruch Kogan from Far Tapuach with the Permaculture Nursery, and I wanted to show you these aquaponics systems that I've just put into operation. Just finished building them, put them into operation. So down here, this is the fish tank. There are 1,000 liters almost of water here, um, and it's full of. You can't see them right now, but there are about 15 carp inside here. Little baby carp. They're about 3-4 inches long. Okay, um, and then I have the water from I have the water from the fish tank. It runs up into this pipe and is distributed through the grow trays. So let's take a look at those here. You guys can see this water is not being pumped directly. It's just gravity fed. And we have here a bunch of seedlings growing in tooth. Here, this first one is basil seedlings to provide some insect repellents. Once this really gets going, this whole place is going to smell like basil, which hopefully should keep some of the pests away. I'll do manual spraying with soapy water and neem oil to keep the rest of them away. Then in here, in these three, we have cucumbers. Over here we have eggplant. Then on this side, oh sorry, I want to show you. So each one of these, the water runs out of the distribution pipe and into it. It basically overflows continuously down through here. Let me show you. So once this fills up, it overflows and goes back down through this manifold right here. And it runs all the way back here, back along the manifold. It runs to this sump. This is a sump barrel. I don't need it to be so big. It just needs to be big enough to hold the pump and some quantity of water. Okay, this is 40 gallon, give or take. So it probably, when it hits about 20 gallons or 30 gallons, the pump kicks in and empties it out. And this is and it empties it out back into the fish tank. That's a sewage pump, so it's pretty rugged, and they can handle all kinds of gunk if it happens to fall in there. And because the water's flowing through there at such a fast rate, algae don't have a chance to form, and if they do form, they're just going to get macerated and thrown right back into the fish tank where the carp are going to eat them. Okay, here you can see this is the second system right here. And we have in here for the first three have peppers. We have sweet peppers and cayenne peppers here. And then we have tomatoes. We have 3 different kinds of tomatoes, but they're all different kinds of cherry tomatoes and a few plum tomatoes. So the way this works is that the fish poop in the water and then and urinate in the water as well. The fish waste gets carried up through the pipe, and then it goes through these grow trays, which act as biofilters. So there are nitrosomal bacteria that live in here, and they basically convert the fish waste into harmless nitrites and then nitrates, which fertilize the plants, but they don't harm the fish. The fish can tolerate very high concentrations of them, and then the plants uptake those and use that as fertilizer, use that for nutrients to grow. Um, Also, what we have in here, or we'll have in here shortly, are red regular earthworms to eat any dead roots and other plant matter and bacteria. And you know that's above the water level, and below the water level we will have black worms to do the same. So, and also, you know, perhaps I will be able to feed those to the fish. I'm not really sure how I'm going to do that, but we'll figure it out. So it's basically an ecosystem in here. Okay, thank you guys very much for watching, and make sure to, you know, if you're seeing this on YouTube, then click the like and subscribe button, and if you're seeing this on Facebook, then follow our page. Thank you very much.